Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to edit audio in OBS Studio. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the audio mixer section. This is where you'll control all your audio settings and make adjustments to your sound levels. If you want to increase or decrease the volume of any audio source, simply use the slider below desktop audio, mic/aux, and any other audio inputs you have active. Moving these sliders allows you to balance your audio levels perfectly, ensuring your microphone isn't too loud compared to your desktop sound, or vice versa. This is crucial for creating professional-sounding recordings and streams. Now, if you want to add filters to improve your audio quality, navigate to mic/aux and click the small icon right beside it. From the menu that appears, select Filters. This will open a new window where you can apply various audio effects to enhance your sound. In the bottom left corner of the Filters window, click the plus icon. From the list that appears, select Noise Gate, then click OK. The Noise Gate helps eliminate background noise when you're not speaking, making your audio cleaner and more professional. Next, click the plus icon again in the bottom left. This time, select Noise Suppression, then click OK. Noise suppression actively reduces constant background sounds like fans or air conditioning, further improving your audio clarity. Click the plus icon once more in the bottom left. Select Compressor from the list, then click OK. The compressor balances out your audio levels, making quiet sounds louder and preventing loud sounds from peaking. This creates a more consistent listening experience for your audience. Again, click the plus icon in the bottom left. Select Limiter, then click OK. The limiter acts as a safety net, preventing your audio from ever getting too loud and distorting. Once you've added all these filters, click the Close button to return to your main OBS window. Now, in the audio mixer, click the gear icon below. This will open up the Advanced Audio Properties window, giving you more control over how your audio is recorded. By default, all audio sources are checked for track 1 through track 6. Optionally, if you want to edit each audio source separately, you can uncheck those boxes. For instance, set your desktop audio for track 1 by checking the box under track 1. Then set your mic/aux for track 2 by checking the box under track 2. If you have additional audio inputs, you can assign them to track 3, and so on. This allows you to have separate control over each audio source during post-production editing. In the bottom right, click Close to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your audio settings in OBS Studio for better sound quality. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.